Why is everyone buying this LEVOIT cordless vacuum cleaner? Well, the first reason is obvious. It can stand up on its own. So that's the number one reason. I'm just making that up, guys. There are actually a lot of reasons people are buying this. So I'm gonna tell you about it and show you. I actually think it's really cool that it can do that. But sorry, we try to have fun when we make these, guys. So we just did some product research last week, my brother and I, and we bought this vacuum. This thing has what we look for when we're buying a new product on Amazon is you want high reviews and a lot of people, high sales velocity. This thing is currently selling over 30,000 units per month, and it has almost 10,000 4.3 to 5-star reviews. This is one of the highest reviewed and highest purchase velocity, honestly, products I've seen on Amazon, definitely for vacuum cleaners. So, and there are so many vacuums. You're like, which one do I get? This one's amazing. One of the things I think that's super versatile about it, first of all, it has a 50-minute runtime. All you do to recharge it is you just take this, you plug it in right over here, plug the other end into the wall. Cool thing about it, it does actually come with a wall mount with screws. There's the screws right there. This is how simple the wall mount is. All you do is just put that on your wall, and then it just, where's it at? There it is right there. That's how it hangs on the wall. So this thing's super nice, very simple and easy to use. Other thing I like, it works effortlessly for hardwood. So we're already getting stuff right now. I can hear it going in there. Apologies for the glitter. It's Christmas time here, so. And then you can effortlessly go from the hardwood and ride straight onto the carpet, and it's gonna work there as well. And this is working really well. Another cool thing, you've got that LED light that is actually going to help you see debris in front of you, kind of lift it off the floor of the carpet. That's always a nice touch as well. And again, this is really good for pet and animal hair. Oh, you know what? There's one more thing I wanna show you. Right here. So you can see you have 3 different settings. It starts on the low setting. Hit it once more. It gets faster and more powerful. And then it gets even more powerful. And you can feel the suction even more intense there. So that's really sweet as well. And look at that. This is brand new. Already picking up a bunch of stuff. I don't know if that says bad things about us or good things about the vacuum. Probably a little bit of both. All right. And so we can also, it's very simple. I like that there's not too many attachments, but it does give you portability. You can hook this up like this. So it's more of got like a little bit of a brush there. You could use this on like ledges and stuff like that, maybe on your stairs. You could also use this in your car. And then we could switch up with one of these and we could use it in the car cracks, or we could come in here and you can use it like in the cracks and crevices there. So the thing I love about it is there's not like a ton of tools, but it's everything you need, but just very simplified. You got the big one, which is a very long reach if you need it. And then you also have the tools that you could use in a shorter way on furniture or with your car. This thing's amazing. I can see why everyone's buying it. Hope I helped you make a quick informed buying decision. Buy it.